you're looking to learn WhatsApp broadcast marketing for your business, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how businesses can send promotional messages to hundreds or even thousands of customers at once using WhatsApp. Now, let me give you a practical example. Let's say I run a travel agency. Every month, I launch special holiday packages, flight discount, and seasonal travel offers. Whenever I want to promote these offers to my customers, I used to send WhatsApp messages manually. I would open one contact, send the offer, move to the next contact, send the same message again, then repeat the process over and over. And honestly, it was extremely time consuming. Now imagine doing it for 100 customers or even 10,000. Not only does it waste valuable time, but there's also a high chance of missing leads and potential bookings. That's exactly what I was doing until I found an amazing feature inside Pabbly Chatflow called WhatsApp Broadcast Marketing. With this feature, I can easily send beautiful promotional templates, select my customer list, and send my holiday offer to thousands of contacts in just few clicks. And the best part, every customer receives the message directly on WhatsApp, allowing them to instantly view the offer and make bookings. Now, before we jump into the setup, let's first understand why WhatsApp broadcast marketing has become so powerful for modern businesses. Think about it. Most promotional emails never get opened. Social media posts reach only a small percentage of followers, but WhatsApp messages are usually seen within minutes. That's why businesses like travel agencies, e-commerce stores, restaurants, real estate companies, and many other industries are actively using WhatsApp broadcasts to reach customers directly. Now let me show you how to do this setup inside Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. After you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create a WhatsApp broadcast for your own business, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is especially for my viewers, so grab this offer as soon as possible. Once you do the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features. You just have to come towards this broadcast feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can easily send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, and updates. So instead of spending hours manually sending messages, you can directly reach 1,000 plus of your customers within minutes while maintaining a professional customer experience. For creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. Next, you have to select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast one name. Let's say I give it as holiday offer. After that, you need to select the contact list here that you want to send the broadcast. See, I am selecting it as a new list. Now for creating a contact list, you just have to go towards this contacts feature, and by clicking on this plus option, you can create a contact list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own users contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to click on this plus add contact button. You can also add contacts one by one manually, but I recommend you to add in bulk and upload a CSV file of your contact. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the information in the simplest format, just like this. See, here I have added my user's first name, last name, and phone number. You can create a CSV file by using Google Sheets or in Excel. After adding a contacts, you just have to click on this files option and download this file in a CSV format. Make sure that only CSV files are allowed with 50 MB size limit, and you can add maximum of 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For adding, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then just drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload file, select it from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contacts. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. See, this is the new list I have already created before, where I added only 58 contacts, and this is the same list that I have selected here as well. Now the next one is the refined audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select that contact from this list. After that, when you enable this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a message again. After that, you just have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting this option and selecting the message type from here, but I recommend you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you just have to click on this option. See, this is the special holiday offer template that I have already created before. With this template, I want to add one image, so for that I'm clicking on this option and selecting this image from here. So this is the final look of the template that was sent to the user. After that, I'm clicking on this done button. For creating this template, you just have to click on this templates feature, as everything is present inside the single tool. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication, and trust me, the creation process of the template is the easiest thing. You just have to click on this plus add template button and follow the instructions. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some template before, and this is the template that we are going to use in this video. After selecting the template, I'm going to test this broadcast by entering a username as test user and entering my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. Instantly, I received the exact template that we have selected here, and it includes one button too by the name of book now. Now whenever I click on this button, then automatically the chatbots will take over the conversation. See, once I click on this book now button, immediately an automated WhatsApp chatbot takes over the conversation. I have already created a separate detailed tutorial of how you can create this chatbot flow inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. As we have successfully received the template, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you have to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options as yes, schedule for later and no, send instantly. So if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts right now, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button, but I am going to schedule this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option and choosing the date from here as 11th of June at 6 p.m. See, on 6th June 2026 at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all the contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button, and see, our broadcast is created successfully and here it is scheduled too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. Here you can see the status as sent, delivered, read and pending. Also resend the broadcast to failed contacts as well. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature for your own business too. So that's how you can use WhatsApp broadcast marketing inside Pabbly Chatflow to promote your businesses, increase engagement and generate more sales. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how broadcast marketing works and how easy it is to get started. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. videos. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.